Hello, this is Mindy. Today I'd like to show you how to prune an old leggy rhododendron. Now the first step of this process is preparing your equipment, and you're going to need hand pruners and long-handled pruners. Both of these will need to be sterilized. Now the reason for this is when you prune any type of plant material, you're actually creating a wound. If you have plant disease or pest on your pruners, you're introducing that into the plant material. So it's better to just go ahead and sterilize it and start with a nice clean pruner. To do that, you're going to need to either soak your equipment in bleach water or wipe the cut surface down with rubbing alcohol. Regardless of which way you choose, make sure that you allow the tools to dry out in the sunlight, and that will sterilize it once again. Now, you need to remove any dead material, number one, when it comes to a rhododendron, and any material that just has a few leaves on it. Now, it's very important not to just snip a rhododendron just off at the end, because a rhododendron produces blooms and leaves at the very ends of the stems. So when you prune, you need to make sure that you take that cut all the way back to a central branch. Removing this leggy growth will encourage the rhododendron to produce fresh growth, and in doing so create a more bushy appearance than a leggy appearance. But when you're cutting though, make sure that your cut is done at an angle.